best. Slip on Victoria's Secret. Hit the
Hello, welcome back. So today we are going to be installing another Amazon wig. So it was sent to me by a brand that I will actually just have to link because it's just a bunch of letters that I can't make a word out. But anyway, so it's a 13x4 HD lace, 22 inches, 180% density. And I will have to say this is one of the most natural and soft wigs that I have installed in a while. So kudos to them. But if you watched my previous video with the bundle that I added into the other wig and it was just absolutely terrible, yeah, that's the same company. They saw my review and they were like, hey, we're just gonna send you a wig. And I was like, okay, so we're installing a wig. So I'm just going in with my hot comb and my wax stick, and we're just gonna get straight into it. So firstly, I'm just going to tap some alcohol on my forehead, and then I will go in with my K2 Stream House glue. I'm doing something a little different. I normally go in with sections when I lay my glue, but this time I'm just going in with the full sweep because it was 4 o'clock in the morning, and yeah, and I'm gonna just leave it at that. But anyway, if you see me like randomly smiling throughout this video, it's because I was watching a YouTube video. I promise I'm not crazy. I promise.
I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life. I'm trusting you, babe. I want this. I want it to work out so bad, but I feel it in my chest and I want it. I want it, yeah. Never fall out of love with you.
So I'm just going in and pressing that lace into the glue, and then I will go in with my Fantasia Spritz and just spray that down and tie it down. Y'all see the wig cap attached to the elastic band, my goodness. But anyway, I'm not keeping it on for a certain amount of time. I'm just letting it do what it do. And then today we are doing a side part, so I'm going to go in and make that side part while the lace is melting.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing pussy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck the night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wants mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. Well, I'm stunner till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. Well, I'm stunner till I die. up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Yeah, my face in action. These days, oh my, yeah. Niggas be blasting. Living in the mix, though. This shit might drive you mad. Feeling pretty mixed up. But this life shit ain't all bad. Bloody, bloody murder. There ain't no second chances. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. A young stunner till I die. You can.
And now you'll just see me cutting the lace in sections, and then I will go ahead and go in with my fresh razor to cut off all the excess lace. And you will see me going with my comb like around the edges, because with the spritz, you know how it makes your hair kind of hard, so I'm just basically combing all that out.
I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack, yeah. Okay, alright, that's fine, okay. I'm feeling too sexy to accept requests. And I'm way too sexy to go unprotected. And she popped a Tesla, now she gonna let you. Okay, alright, that's fine, okay. Think we got too.
Now I am going in and sectioning off the amount of baby hairs that I want, and then I will go in with my EBIN Wonder Bond and the red can and basically melt the rest of the lace, and then I'll add my elastic band. And of course, hot comb, but I won't be curling them until after I take off the edge band.
Too sexy for this too sexy for your girl, too sexy for this world, too sexy for the life, too sexy for that jack, yeah. I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack.
Now I'm going to go in and pluck my side part. This is actually obviously sped up, but it's sped up a lot because I'm really taking my time, because the tweezers that I used I didn't want. I wanted to use my other ones that grabs more hair, but you know, you gotta work with what you got. So yeah.
Oh, I need you, boy. I've been waiting my whole life to find someone like you, to find someone like you. Yeah, 'cause I've been waiting my whole life to find someone like you, to find someone like you. Baby, I want this to last.
So when it comes to doing your baby hairs, I would definitely recommend going in and kind of molding it to how you want it before cutting it. That way you know how much hair to cut off, or if you have too much hair or too little. So definitely do that before cutting. That way you already have, you know, a guide, and you know you're not gonna cut too much or too little. And then I am going in and replucking the side because it was looking a little dense, so yeah. So for my edges, I go in with a very small amount of YOCTYU gel, and I only put it at the roots, and then basically however much product I have left on my finger, it'll just go towards the rest of the hair, because I don't want it super, you know, it's tacky and, you know, just caked up with gel. No, I don't want that. So after I do that, I go in with my Fantasia Spritz, I think it's called. Yeah. And then that's what I use for the rest of it. Not too much on the ends, but mostly just catered towards the middle. Because I want, like, not super soft baby hairs, because I'm not going to comb it out. But, you know what I mean. Molded, but not too much. So, and then I'm going to just repeat that process with the side. So after that's done, I just reapply a little bit of makeup, the same makeup that I used on my bald cap and the wig, just around the ends, not the ends, the edge of the lace, and then I'm going to go in and straighten my hair with my BioSilk. And also a pro tip, definitely apply BioSilk to the top of your head, like to where your part is, and not just on the actual shaft itself.
Yeah. Out of them picking it through, I just ain't fell in love cause I'm way too awake. And she try fucking a rapper to break on my heart, but my heart doesn't break. Soon as I link with these niggas, they feelings are written all over their face. What? Okay, great. I'm in the back room of Wally's, I spent 30,000 on somebody's grapes. Eating this so many pull-ups on niggas, no wonder we getting in shape. Too busy backing my words up with actions to ever go front of your face. Go to the drink. What else are they gonna play? Tired and niggas won't take. Hey, I'm having my way. Said I ain't having this way. Pray I ain't having this way. And like the third we go out and take. Go to the drink. Making them fuck niggas pay.
So after straightening, that is pretty much it. I absolutely love how this turned out. Like, I mean, this looks so natural and it's not super long, and it's just, yeah, I ate period. But yeah, I did go in with a little bit of layers. I think I cut that part out, but yeah, that's about it. So I'm gonna let my outro do my thing, and then yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next week with a new video. Mwah.
This shit be on accident. Fell in my luck at your bitch on an accident. I shoot my shot, it's on point, this shit accurate. Go to the drink. What else are they gonna play? It's high and niggas won't take. Hey, I'm having my way. Said I ain't having this way. Hey, I ain't having this way. And like the third we go out and take.
All right. What's the company name? Okay, it's YOCYTU. That's the brand name. I wish these brands had, you know, like regular names and not just letters, because yeah, this is the thing. But yeah, it's 22 inches. It's 180% density, but this feels really thin, but in a good way. Like, it feels very natural. Like, if I straighten my hair out, I feel like this is the thickness. So I would say it's thin, but a good thin. Like, this looks very natural. But yeah, I did a little bit of layers, not too much. I didn't really go in because I didn't even do this side. But yeah, it's 22 inches. Let me see. I think this is the shortest hair that I've had in a while, but I like that. I like that. I did a little bit of edges. I went between my Got2b gel, and my liquid mousse. That's really about it. I didn't really expect these hair companies to be reaching out this quick. I mean, obviously I have a platform, but yeah, because I actually have some bundles coming in today from Amazon, an Amazon company. So yeah, so exciting. That's about it. This is very pretty. I really like this. I really like this. And it's so soft. It's so soft. Like, that goes back to like it feeling natural. I mean, obviously it's human hair, but you know, some of them aren't this soft. This is really soft. But anyway, I did film a Valentine's Day video, but it's the 15th and I still haven't finished editing, so I don't think I'm gonna post it. So yeah, if you do want to see it, you know, just let me know, but I doubt it. That's about it. Thank you for watching, and hope to see you guys Monday with a new video, because I'm gonna post this Friday. Today's Wednesday, so yeah. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Ain't with that nonsense or that lovey-dovey mess. Feeling kinda freaky, late night calling 'cause you got the best. Slip on Victoria's Secret.